I am Dr. Lalit Mohan Parashar. I am an ENT specialist, now practicing for about 30 years. I am in Apollo Spectra in Kailash Colony, and we are doing all sort of advanced surgeries as far as ENT is concerned. Thank you. When we see someone snoring, we don't simply ignore it, because we know at the base of it can be a very dangerous disease called obstructive sleep apnea. So our aim is not simply stopping the snoring. Our aim is to treating the person and taking away the underlying illness. So by that reckoning, there can be, broadly speaking, three ways of dealing with the stoppage of snoring. One, the homemade remedies, whereby we tell the patient to reduce weight, change the lifestyle modifications, be more active, energetic, exercise, so that muscles of the body are toned up. They can also resort to some exercise of the throat and palate, like chewing gum, like pranayam, breathing exercises, so that they have more control and all the things don't go lax when they sleep. Second part is other modifications like sleeping posture. They can sleep on a side rather than straight. They can sleep prone actually. They can have better pillows where their neck is taken up rather than down. Also, we can tell the patients to assume postures where they are able to sleep in a much better position with the less lighting of the room and some pipe music, some soft music playing. These are homemade remedies. Almost everyone does try these out before we take up the patient for other interventions. The other intervention can be medical management, whereby we tell the patient to wear some appliances called CPAP or BiPAP or AutoPAPs. These machines work on the principle of forcing open the obstructed airway. That is, when the person is trying to breathe and there is obstruction of the airway, we force open the airway. So these machines patient has to wear regularly, daily, every night. But please use these machines under medical supervision, because we might be missing in our eagerness to use such appliances to take away only the sound part of snoring. We might miss the underlying disease. So whenever you have such machines or to use such machines, it should be under proper medical supervision. Only doctor should be able to tell you. And of course, in more severe patients, the doctor may advise you or your surgeon may advise you to go for advanced surgeries of the nose, palate, throat or tonsils, so that we open up the passages.